Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be taking two sounds that a lot of you have some issues when pronouncing them. I'm going to take the p and b. Pill, bill. Pear, bear. P, p, b, b. Okay, so we're going to start. We're going to do something a little different today. We're going to take a short story. It's going to be fun. Okay, so I'm going to give you a copy of the story. Let's just form groups. So I want three, and you guys, you. Okay, now I'm going to hand you a piece of the piece of paper with the story. Okay, now let's start. I'm going to read the first sentence, and then each one of you is going to read a sentence. We could form four groups when we have four paragraphs. Okay, let's start. Now for our story, we're gonna warm up with it. Okay, you have your papers. It's called. Who's gonna read the title? Pretty Betty buys a pie. Okay, Pretty Betty wants to have some pie. Can you read this second sentence? Okay, she goes to her papa to ask for some money. So, did you like the story? Did Betty get the pie at the end? Was she happy? Yeah, she had some troubles, but at the end, she did get a pie. Not the one that she went to buy, but she did get a pie. Okay, so do you like Pretty Betty? Would you like to be in her position? No? Okay, let's move on to our next activity. I have just distributed sheets with a list of minimal pairs. Okay, so we have words with p and minimal pairs b. The first one is p and b. P, b. Okay, so in the groups that we formed, I want you to put both papers, the story and the list of minimal pairs. Okay, just read the minimal pair and search for it in the story. When you find a word from the list, just underline it in the story. Okay? Any questions? Okay, awesome. Good job. You've all underlined the minimal pairs in the story. So now we're going to read this list together. Okay? Let's start with you. Can you read the first minimal pair? P, B. Very good. Okay, how about you? Pin, bin. Awesome. Okay, the third one. Peg, peg. Do you know what a peg is? I have it right here. Remember this from last class? We have a peg. This is a peg. Okay. What do you think is the minimal pair? It's in the list. Can you read it? Beg. Okay, very good. How about fourth word? Sorry. Peep. What does peep mean? Peep. I'm peeping. Peeping, looking into a hole. Okay. Beep. Beep. Peep. Beep. Beep, 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 beep. Okay. The next one. Pay, bay. Very good. Who's going to read the next? How about you? peach, beach. What's a peach? It's a fruit. Awesome. Do you like going to the beach? Me too. Okay. Now we're going to continue reading. Everyone's going to take a turn. After we read the whole list, each student is going to read the whole list, on their own. What do you think about that? We need a lot of practice. So, you're wondering, what are these pictures that I've just distributed? Well, these pictures represent words from the list of minimal pairs. Okay, so for example, if you have a picture of a bee, so bee is in the list of minimal pairs. You're going to flip the paper and write bee. Okay, and after you write each word on the back of the picture, I want you to match the minimal pairs. So you have bee. What's its minimal pair? P. So you're going to put them together. Okay? Any questions? Okay, let's do this. Our last activity. We're not going to be forming groups. I want each group, just each student go back to their place. Okay? Now I'm going to distribute flashcards. You're going to have a P sound or a B. P, B. Okay? So depends on the flashcard you have. I want you to walk around class and form groups with others who have the same sound. So if I have the word pear, I'm going to search for someone with which sound? Bear? No, we're not going to do that. We're going to put pear with pin, with pug, pig, pen. Do we have pen? Well, let's check it out. Okay, any questions? This is going to be really fun. Our class has come to an end. You all did a very good job, and we have practiced and played and did some very fun and interactive activities. But now it's time for your assessment. So I'm going to dictate the words in the minimal pair list. So I want you to take out your notebooks, a pen or a pencil. I'm going to say the word and you are going to write it down. Okay, first word. Pie. 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 Buy. 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 Okay. Path. 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 Bath. 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 To be continued.